Welcome back to Auto Vibes Reviews, the spot where car passion meets deep dives. Today we're checking out a compact comeback that's making some serious noise in the urban driving scene. The all-new 2025 Citroën C2. Right from the first glance, the 2025 Citroën C2 grabs your attention. The new design language blends quirky French personality with a more mature and refined edge. Up front, you get Citroën's new split headlight signature, with sleek LED DRLs on top and squared-off main beams tucked just below. The front grille is wide and minimal, with a smooth gloss black finish, housing the new Citroën logo that really pops. There's a playful contrast trim around the lower bumper and sides, adding that youthful vibe the C2 has always stood for. From the side, the profile is short and upright, exactly what you want in a city car, and those bold wheel arch claddings give it a mini SUV flavor. Step inside, and Citroën continues to show off its knack for clever, cozy interiors. The cabin is surprisingly spacious for such a compact footprint. The dashboard layout is simple and symmetrical, with a floating 10-inch infotainment screen in the center that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly. The digital driver display is clean and customizable, giving you all the info you need without distraction. The materials are mostly soft touch on the upper dash and doors, and Citroën's signature color accents around the vents and stitching. The seats, despite the car's size, are decently padded with good back support, and in higher trims you even get Citroën's advanced comfort seat tech. Rear legroom is tight for taller passengers. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroën C2 keeps things simple but efficient. The base variant comes with a 1.2-liter PureTech 3-cylinder petrol engine, delivering around 75 to 100 horsepower depending on the version. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual or a smooth CVT automatic. Don't expect neck snapping acceleration here. The C2 isn't built for speed, but it handles tight corners and narrow streets with ease. The steering is light, the turning radius is sharp, and the suspension absorbs potholes and speed bumps with that typical Citroën cushiony feel. There's also an all-electric version rumored to launch soon, sharing the platform with the EC3, promising around 200 km of range, a perfect zero-emission option for city life. On the petrol variants, fuel economy is solid, averaging around 50 to 55 mpb, which makes it super wallet-friendly for daily use. Now let's talk numbers. The base petrol version of the 2025 Citroën C2 starts at around $14,000 in Europe, which positions it just below rivals like the VW Polo or Renault Clio. Higher trims with more tech and features can push it to around $18,000. When the electric version lands, it's expected to sit around the $20,000 mark, potentially lower with government incentives. With those prices, the C2 becomes a strong contender in the small hatchback segment, especially for new drivers or anyone needing a stylish and practical urban runabout. If you enjoyed the ride, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and drop a comment telling us what you think about the new C2.